Guys, before I get started, I just want to say I finally hit 100 subscribers. I know I've only been out a couple months, but just want to thank you guys. Everybody that's a subscriber, thank you. And now it's time to get to 1,000. I think I'm gonna do a little giveaway or something at 1,000, so share it, boys. Tell your friends, family. Let's do it. Thanks.
You wanna know his secret?
What up, guys? Welcome back to the Cody Project. I just got back from the store and I got 2 products today, but I'm gonna do 2 different videos. I'm gonna do them back to back because I've been slacking. I want to give you guys some good footage, so stick with me and let's get to the first product. Enjoy. Alright guys, so today's product is an at-home power washer, but not just any at-home power washer. I searched the nation for the best power washer for the most reasonable price. And of course, we have 1800 PSI, 1.2 gallons per minute. We have an on and off foot switch. We have removable nozzle tips, soap dispenser, and an added bonus, a hard surface floor cleaner. Oh yeah. I mean, look at these guys. They look so happy, don't they? So let's join them. Oh yeah, and the best thing, guys, this thing is only $120. I mean, for what it is, hopefully it's worth it. And I think the name is called a KARCHER. I don't know, maybe that's wrong, but whatever. And I know some people like unboxings, but I don't, so here you go. Oh dang, here we go. Well guys, of course we gotta put together. Nothing comes assembly anymore, it seems like. So let's put it together. But before we do that, let's just go over a couple features. One of the main reasons I bought this one was right here, this tip. Future videos, I'm gonna need this. And a lot of the cheaper ones did not have a quick release connector. So just think about it, guys. If you're gonna use some car care products, you might need this tip. I'll show you why later. And of course we got the wheels. Here's other, actually come with other tips also. Hoses, manual, and everything you need to put together with. So let's start building. Cha-ching! Alright guys, so I got it all hooked up and let's check some stuff out. First, we're going to do it just without any tips or anything. It's just coming out with the water pressure right now. Let's see how loud it is. So that's without any tips or anything. Now let's see what tips we got. This looks like the turbo tip. Easy, quick connect, looks like. Just like an air chuck. Nice. That'd be good washing your car. Pretty fast response. He's just using a regular garden hose also, so that's pretty cool. Let's check out the next tip. Hopefully don't have no pressure on it. Let's see. Alright, let's check out this bad boy right here. That one's a little bit stronger tip, probably through cutting through some stuff. Got engine blocks or something with a lot of corrosion on it. And then they have the soap tip. I guess when you add soap to it, this will be the one you use. Let's see. Okay. just kind of soaks it down. Oh, that's awesome. Woo! Heck yeah, not too bad. I like how it gets quiet, like once you shut it off. It's pretty cool. And of course you got soap you can add. Whatever, I mean, shoot, I guess. Oh yeah, let's see what the floor thing does, the floor cleaner. Check out this bad boy. Alright, let's see what this is all about. Nice. Pretty good. Pretty awesome. Spill some oil or something. There you go. Pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool. Well, shoot my car down a little bit. Let me use the turbo one. I'm not actually gonna wash it, but we'll spray it off. Alright guys, that was just a quick review on a power washer, an at-home electric power washer to be exact. I bought this power washer at Sam's Club, around $130. Comes with wheels, you can roll it, plenty of attachments. I mean, just a pretty cool all-around little guy. If you like doing car care products, cleaning your own car, just make sure you get one of these tips, because if you don't, you can't hook up foam cannons and other good stuff to it. And that's probably one of the things we're going to do in the future. So, heck yeah, guys. But, like always, like, subscribe, share, do what you do. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.